first episode on my channel. Before we get started, check out my Etsy store or my Instagram if you're interested. With that, let's get on with the repaint. I'm going to use this clear denial as a base. Let's start by cutting off the hair close to the head. I'm removing the head by softening the vinyl in boiling water, and then I pull out the remaining clumps of hair from the inside. Next, I remove her face and hair paint with acetone nail polish remover. I've painted the head with these parity colours and I'm going to start rerouting. I pour a heat-resistant glue in through the neck hole to seal her new hair in place. After blushing both the head and body with soft pastels, I begin the face-up. Unbind the hair and apply a glossy varnish to her eyes, lips and lips. Gently pushing her head back into her neck. decorate it with rhinestones. I also sew on chains and add a pendant. Now, I want to use Cleo's original shoes, but I want the heels to be stabby instead of wedgy, you know? So I'm cutting off the heel with Next, I'm stabbing a needle through the shoe to create the support for the heel. I'm bringing out some epoxy sculpt and mixing up parts A and B with kitchen gloves. Yeah, I don't know. After a coat of gesso, I paint the shoes red. Of varnish later and the shoes are ready to be decorated. There are just a few more accessories to make. A tail starts with a piece of fabric slightly smaller than I want the actual tail to be. I shape the feathers with scissors and hot glue them onto the tail before gluing it onto the bikini. For the wings, I start with a template I found from the internet and form a piece of wire into a similar shape. I insert the wire in between two pieces of fabric and then stitch around it to make sure it doesn't change its shape. To add the feathers. Many hours later, I have two wings attached to a thin wooden dowel. They fit perfectly into this hole that I drilled earlier. The doll is complete. This doll will be available for purchase along with some of my other repaints on my Etsy store, so check out the link in the description if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!